someone asked about the distribution of leads to the agents. For example, there are 3 brokers teams on the same zip code, so 3 different clients in the same zip code. How does the distribution work?
Yeah, so one of the things they talked about earlier in the call is one of our skill sets is high volume. We really have the capability to generate thousands of leads per day nationally. So it's really not that type of an issue where we're running out of leads. So it would round robin in our system if we have multiple brokers in the same geographies. And then sort of related, we can round robin within your team for you as well. So if you've got 7 agents getting leads, our ISA will have a process to rotate who gets those, or you can tell us who gets them based on geography sets within your geography. So we have a lot of customization and flexibility there as well.
Yeah, guys, if y'all missed this part earlier on or you didn't make it in the beginning, Jody and his background, before eLead Network was brought to the masses here, they were providing leads for the massive portals, massive companies. So lead volume has been their expertise for many years. So lead volume is of no concern here. What they did in order to be able to cut that middleman out and work directly with you as the agent is they implemented this ISA program, because as Jody mentioned earlier, they've experienced too much churn with people who don't have a conversion process in place. Everyone's excited to buy leads. No one is excited to work them. So they have pretty strict guidelines regarding whether or not they will work with you, because you either need to have an ISA or use theirs. Let's see.
I just saw a question pop up that you just answered there. Yes, you do have to have the ISAs unless you have your own, which is completely
exactly. So either have your own ISA who you trust to work leads, which is why you have them, or use theirs who they've trained to convert their leads. Because guys, at the end of the day, so many people buy leads and do nothing with them. I can't tell you how many times someone has asked me, hey, why am I not converting? And then I look in their CRM and 99% of their leads are in the new lead pipeline stage. Like, guys, I wouldn't want to sell leads to you either if that's how you're going to work them. So remember, either have an ISA or use theirs.